Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Dogecoin video update. Again, another prediction played out. Come on guys, this is insane. Yesterday we had a bounce here for Dogecoin. We went to 7869 and then we tried to bounce a little bit back up, and I told you that if Bitcoin is going to do something funny, then expect Dogecoin to continue even lower. So I want to actually look at the daily and what's happening in the daily time frame, because it's important to talk about the daily time frame. Now, if I do remove one resistance right there, the lower support here, you do have a resistance here, resistance there, resistance here, broke to the upside, came for the dirty retest. Now if you look at it that way, you were meant to hold 87 level. Okay, so 0.087 is what you were supposed to backtest, but if you look at it, unfortunately you have closed below that level, so this is not a good sign. The second thing I want to talk about, if you look at it, if I zoom it, then you're looking for Dogecoin to have 3 black rows, which is a continuation pattern. So one red candle, second red candle, third red candle, 3 black rows, that's continuation pattern. I do expect more downfall for Dogecoin, unfortunately, and that's pretty much it for this update. I do expect Bitcoin to also go down to nearly 13,000 at least, and even 9,000 level. So it's gonna be a little bit bad for Dogecoin and then bottom out from there. Long term, I still think Dogecoin can go to $1.5 in the future as well. So let's see how that goes. And that's pretty much it for this update on Dogecoin. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.